I know y'all are gonna be like, what's going on, sis? Like, I'm confused. Let me put you guys on. Let me give you some royal tea.
It's J Flex on the beat.
haitianswhoblog on Instagram is beginning a new beauty blogger series where every Sunday they will showcase their favorite Haitian beauty blogger to do a live tutorial on Instagram. It just so happens that it's going to begin tomorrow, April 22nd at 3 o'clock, and I will be the featured beauty blogger. You guys, I'm excited, and I want to extend the invitation to you guys on the YT. If you do not follow me on Instagram, this is the opportunity to follow me on Instagram. Don't be afraid to send me a request and then I will accept it back. I want you guys to join me. I want the royal gang to be there in full effect. I want you guys to show me the support. It will be a full live tutorial. Do not worry, this look is coming up. La Vini, it's coming, it's coming. Toise. On the dot, not no CPT time. If I lie, you know, 3 o'clock. Royal gang, I salute y'all. See you guys tomorrow.